view of the engine bay. ECU is over there in its stock location. What we have here is an electronic throttle body with the cable that's long enough to fit in this stock location, or over here for a short runner manifold. And we have a map sensor here. Cabling's already set from the ECU. And then you have your wideband O2 sensor here with about 5 feet of cable, so you can put it anywhere in the downpipe or exhaust that you need to. Everything else is plug and play. Stock coil, stock sensors, everything's good. It comes with an aftermarket intake manifold sensor. If you're turbo, we suggest changing that, but you put that in the charge pipe, and then you'd have to extend the wires or use our adapter. Other than that, everything tucks away nicely. The original throttle cable gets removed, and then you put this through with the wires to your pedal, and it all gets tucked up nicely to the ECU.